Hi, we're coming to you from Disaster Surveyor. In today's tutorial, we'd like to show you how you can manage your waypoint data that your team has uploaded to the team management website. On my screen here is the homepage for the Disaster Surveyor International website. What we're going to do is click on Waypoints here on the top menu to get to the Waypoints page. For those of you who are using CERT Surveyor's website or the US domestic Disaster Surveyor website, the waypoint screen and the functionality will be virtually the same. Now on the screen you'll see a list of which team members you have the data displayed for. We have a time range where you can filter a specific period that you wish to see the data for. And we also have a sort by feature where we can sort by the create date time, whether it's associated to a sector form, and by the name of the person that has saved the waypoint. A couple of things we'd like to show you really quick here. The first thing is perhaps you'd like to see where these waypoints are on a map. In order to do so, just pick the waypoints that you wish to see on a map by checking the checkboxes in front of it like so, and click on the map button that you see right above the row of checkboxes. That'll take you to a Google map like this, and clicking on the waypoint icon will display for you the name of the waypoint that was saved, the lat line, the name of the person that saved the waypoint, a icon that correlates to the waypoint you have saved. In all three of our apps we do have standard FEMA GPS icons, and in this case we have a structure no damaged green icon that's familiar to many of you. If you have a photo that was uploaded for a waypoint, we also display a thumbnail of that photo in the pop-up box for the waypoint as well. Let's go back to the main GPS waypoint screen here, and let's download this information for use outside of Disaster Surveyor. So we have a link for download GPX, and if we click it, it will ask you to at least select one waypoint checkbox in order to download. So let me go ahead and just click on pick all. That will select all the ones that are on my screen here, and I will go ahead and click on download GPX, download KML, and download Excel. And so we've got three files that many of you are probably familiar with. We have a GPX file. A GPX file can be opened in Garmin Basecamp, for example, for those of you who use the Garmin Basecamp software and the Garmin GPS devices. But today I'm going to open this in a text editor so you can see it is actually a GPX formatted XML file that can be imported to any application that supports the GPX format. I'm going to go ahead and also open the KML file here so we can take a look as a raw text file. This is also a KML file, and for those of you who are familiar with KML files, these can be imported into Google Earth, Google Maps, as well as other mapping solutions like Esri ArcView GIS Online. So let me go ahead and close this. The third format that we've got available is this XML file. I'm sorry, there's a Excel file, so we're going to go ahead and open the Excel file. Let's give it just a second there. There it goes. Okay, so we're looking at the Excel file that was just downloaded. We have a row of icons. We have the icon name or the waypoint name, the time date stamp, the lat long, a column for the USNG coordinates if those are saved in the app that you're using. Both the CERT Surveyor and the US Disaster Surveyor Domestic save the waypoints as USNG along with the lat long. We also have a column for the team member that has saved the waypoint, a box for any comments, and any photos that were attached and uploaded from your app for those particular waypoints. So those are 3 different ways that you can download the waypoint information. A couple of things very quick I wanted to show you. Perhaps you have an exercise or drill for a particular period, but the systems have been used by other team members, for other exercises or drills, or even in a real emergency. It's very useful to sort the date range to a particular period if you have data that you wish to see just for that particular time zone or that particular date range. Another useful feature is, in addition to the time range, I'm going to go ahead and switch it back to January here, so there's a whole bunch. We can also select which users within that time range you wish to display. So for example, I can go here to my accounts page, and we have checked which users we wish to display the data for. I'm going to uncheck all the ones I've got here currently and just keep one user here, Alex7711, and go ahead and click save, and that'll update the display settings across the entire website. And now if we go back to Waypoints, we would just see the information from that one user during the date range specified. We hope you found this video useful. Our website and tools are designed to be extremely easy to use and quick to pick up. If you have any questions at all, as always, please feel free to contact myself, Alex at disastersurveyor.com, or Captain Andy at disastersurveyor.com. Thank you very much, and hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.